Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club sneak peek for you. This diamond painting is part of their Black Friday release, which is massive. Oh my gosh, I have seen them post throughout the days. There's so many amazing paintings. This one in particular, this is called Nightwalker. And the artist says, I'm sorry if I butcher this, is KucingKecil, maybe? It's really cute. It's like a night scene with some bunnies fading off, drifting away down this path here. It's so pretty. This one is 55.8 by 78.7 centimeters. It is a square drill kit. We do have our Diamond Art Club box here with the kit contents, how it works. We have our thumbnail here. So this is 39 colors, including 1 AB and 4 fairy dust. Total diamonds is 70,784. And we have our thumbnail on the bottom here. So let's go ahead and open it up here. This painting has a lot of purples to it. And we will get into that here. All right, set that over here. All right, we do have our toolkit, which comes with a tray, baggies, the pick-me-up or the wax pen that you twist. It's like a twist and stick, I think is what they call it. But everything you need to diamond paint to do this kit here is in that toolkit. All right, and we're gonna take out this canvas here, and we have our little welcome booklet thingamabob. All right, let's open this up here real quick and see what we have. Just gonna zoom in here real quick. All right. So we have our symbols, and our trading card or treasure quest card. So this is another way you can collect from Diamond Art Club. This is really cute. Look at the holographic bunnies here. But yeah, on the back here, you can scratch that off, redeem those for codes. There's a link in the description of this video if you want more information about the treasure quest cards and how to redeem and such. But you have your title, your artist, all the things here on the card. We have our tips and tricks, step-by-step instructions, and here is our symbols. You can use these here. These are individual stickers. You can use those to label your containers for your diamond painting to kit up in. Like I said, they are individual stickers as you see here. And then we have the thumbnail picture folded in here, which is also a sticker. Look at that. So you can use that for your logbooks, or you can put this on top of your container so you know what's what. And here is a close-up of our symbols. You can see our special drills here at the end. You see our AB and our, 4 fairy dusts. Yes, right at the end there. All right, just going to set this off to the side. And we're going to open this up. So I have to know how many are currently on your, oh my gosh, I must have list. Because I have so many. It's crazy. Just going to zoom back out here. All right, let's open this up. I know I'm sideways here. All right, so we have our drills here, which we will go through one by one. I'm just going to flip the canvas over so we can see it laid out. This is really pretty. And of course, with all of our Diamond Art Club paintings, we have our super soft backing here. Everything is poured glue, so it's, it pretty much does what you need it to do. Let's go ahead and see if that lays it flat. Okay, there we go. This is really pretty. So yeah, it's like it reminds me of like a dreamscape here. Like you have our bunnies and they just kind of like fade off the coloring of them. It's pretty neat. I like it. Nice like fantasy type vibes here. It looks like we have quite a bit of color blocking, so that's cool. Let's go ahead and we'll go through the colors here, and then we will take a closer look at the canvas itself. Let me go ahead and open these, if I could find the opening part here. I don't know why sometimes I put on the spot and I just can't find, oh, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. All right, so we will be going through these one by one. So if you don't like this part or you don't really care, that's fine. Just fast forward. No biggie, right? All right. So So we have a lot of the same colors here. So this is, let me zoom in here. There we go. So this is 336. It's like a dark blue. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 big bags of 336. And then we have 823. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 823. It's like another dark blue color. All right, and then we have 3 big bags of 939. And then we have 3 big bags of 791. Another shade of blue. Looks like, oh, hold on now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 844. It's like a dark green. And then we have 161 at the end here. Go ahead and set this over here. All right, what else we got going on? There's another 161. Then we have 3 bags of 317. 2 big old bags of 552. 2 bags of 413. Here's a fairy dust, Z3607, that dark pink. Super pretty. We have 792. 2 bags of 208. We have 158, 838. Here's our AB, light pink color. I bet this is the moon. We will check to see where these special drills go in just a second. This is AB 3609. We have 154. Another fairy dust Z155. You see that glitter coating on the top. We have 333, 3746, 550. All right, let's get into our small strip here. This is our last one. All right, we have 414, 3608, 3799, 3837, 153. Here's another fairy dust, another pink one, Z3806, Z415. Another like the gray fairy dust there. It is 818, 6013, 6002, 779, 6012, 3740, 211, 6010, 798, 3807, 3838, and 891. All right, those are our colors. All right, I am just going to go through the canvas here and see where those special drills are going to be going. So I will be right back. Okay, so right away I see the AB, which was the lighter pink with the like shimmery topping. That is here in the bunnies. That's really the only place that I see it. So the ABs are here. It is this little, what do you say, greater than symbol. It's here throughout these bunnies. But if you look closer at the canvas, like the bunnies slowly fade. Like, what is happening? I think that they're going into their, I don't know, like a magical land or something. All right, let's check where the fairy dusts are. Okay, so one of the fairy dusts is this little symbol here. And I see those down here in the plants. Just kind of scattered throughout. If you look at the thumbnail, you see little peaks of grass. That's where the purple fairy dust is, just down here throughout. And the gray fairy dust, the only place I really see that is, this is like the peak of the clouds here. So like we're right in the area, the outline of the clouds. I just kind of see them peeking through here. The gray one is, I call it the do not enter sign. So it really does look like they're just, you know, kind of sprinkled, you know, throughout the border of the cloud's outline. And let's see, they're also just sprinkled throughout the sky, just kind of here and there, which is going to add a really cool effect to the finishing piece with the glitter shimmering through. All right, and the dark pink fairy dust was quite easy to find. That is this weird, I don't know, what do you guys call that symbol? That's just here, right in the middle of the clouds. Going to add some really cool highlights there. And then the other pink fairy dust I just see here in the moon. So I was wrong. The AB is not in the moon. It's the other fairy dust. All right. So that is where our special drills are going. This really is quite an interesting piece, especially if you love bunnies. I've never really looked at this artist's work before, but it's quite interesting. I looked them up right before this unboxing, and yeah, it looks kind of like the same type of dark color scheme. Not really like super fantasy-like, but I don't know. You tell me what you think the story is behind these bunnies here. Like, see how they're like bold, you know, and then they really do drift off. And I'm impressed. That was no big deal. I just dropped something. I'm impressed with how they did the rendering here. Like, that is just really cool. Like I said, we have a decent amount of color blocking here, but this would be a really cool finished piece to put pretty much anywhere in your house. So yeah, that is it for this one. Stay tuned. I think they said, yeah, they were dropping 111 kits for Black Friday. So, you know, follow their socials. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will tell you that a lot of the sneak peeks for Black Friday are going to be first looks because shipment came in a little bit late. So definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell on the creators that you know. There's also a collage with a playlist of the unboxing, so go check those out. Follow on socials to see what else they're releasing, because there's a lot of good stuff, including this beauty. So definitely check it out. If you have not purchased from Diamond Art Club before, check out my link. You know, you get a little bit of a discount and I get a little bit of a kickback, so check that out if you like. So until next time, everyone, have a great day and happy Black Friday shopping. Bye-bye.